Hello, and welcome to another English listening practice for beginners. Today's story follows a girl named Rose, who decides to bake a special birthday cake to surprise her best friend, Jade. So, let's start. Rose's sweet surprise. Rose and Jade had been friends since high school, and tomorrow was Jade's birthday. Rose wanted to surprise her at work with a pink birthday cake. So, she began planning. First, Rose sat down at her kitchen table with her laptop and searched online for the perfect cake recipe. Finally, she found a great recipe for a pink vanilla cake. She began writing a list of everything she needed: flour, sugar, eggs, milk, vanilla, baking powder, baking soda, and butter. She also added pink food coloring and pink sprinkles, because Jade loved pink and sprinkles. With her list in hand, Rose got in her car and drove to the grocery store. Soon, she arrived and began looking for all the ingredients. After buying everything on her list, she headed back home. At home, Rose put on her favorite apron and started baking. Following the recipe carefully, she mixed the wet and dry ingredients in separate bowls before combining them. Soon, the batter was ready. She poured it into 2 round pans and slid them into the preheated oven. While the cakes baked, Rose made the frosting. She mixed softened butter with powdered sugar, added a little vanilla, and then stirred in pink food coloring. The frosting turned out a beautiful shade of pink. After 30 minutes, the cakes were done, and the kitchen smelled amazing. Rose took them out of the oven and waited for them to cool. Once they were completely cool, she spread the pink frosting over both layers and added pink sprinkles on top. The cake looked beautiful. Rose carefully placed it in a box and put it in the freezer overnight. The next day, Rose woke up excited and ready to surprise Jade. She got ready and headed to Jade's office, arriving just in time for her lunch break. Holding the cake box, Rose walked into the building and found Jade at her desk. "Happy birthday!" Rose said. Jade looked up, surprised. "Rose! What are you doing here?" Rose smiled and handed her the cake. Jade opened the box. "You made this? For me?" "Yes," Rose said. "Happy birthday!" Jade couldn't believe her eyes. She was so happy and grateful. "Thank you so much, Rose," she said, beaming. "It's beautiful," she said. "And it smells amazing. I can't believe you did all this for me." "Well," Rose grinned, "you only turn another year older once a year." Jade laughed. "Let's eat some now." They found a break room with a small table, and Rose sliced the cake. The soft pink vanilla layers were perfectly baked, and the frosting melted just slightly from the warmth of the room. Jade took a bite and her eyes lit up. "This is so good. Seriously, you could open a bakery." Rose blushed. "Maybe one day." They spent the rest of the lunch break catching up, laughing, and sharing cake with a few of Jade's coworkers, who all complimented Rose's baking. As Rose left the office, Jade called out, "You really made my day. I won't forget this." And in that simple, sweet moment, Rose knew that the time, effort, and sprinkles had all been worth it. Thanks for watching this English listening practice. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for more English stories.